Hey guys, I'm Frank. Have you ever think about how to build an AI trading bot? I always believe that the right trading bot can actually outperform than the most people because they never stop working and they don't get tired, emotional, or distracted. We are now seeing a tons of companies shifting to AI-only trading stacks. Even Coinbase is talking publicly about AI trading agents is going to be the mainstream. I'm not a financial expert or like professional software engineer, but using LLM models and some logging tool, I was able to build a real functioning auto trading bot. And in this series, I will show you how to do so.
In this video, we'll lay the foundations. We'll collect live market and portfolio data, send it to GPT as a structured strategy prompt, log the full decision process using Curate's AI, and build a basic dashboard to monitor it. Step 1 is getting your test environment running. If you're based in the US, using Coinbase Sandbox. If you're outside the US, Binance Sandbox is a better option. Both will give you API access to trade with fake money. You'll generate your API keys and drop them in your code as credentials. Neither Coinbase nor Binance give you a proper sandbox dashboard. You won't be able to see trade through their UI, and you will need to build one yourself. And to be honest, their docs aren't great. Coinbase, for example, has APIs for Coinbase Pro, Spot, Advanced Trade, and some of the endpoints overlap and behave inconsistently. I suggest just starting with Advanced Trade like I did. Also, make sure to create a new portfolio inside Coinbase just for testing, so you don't mix fake money with your real funds. Now, we'll write a small Python service to handle communication with Coinbase. This service pulls the latest price, your current balances, and can place market or limit orders. The architecture is modular. We have a base exchange class that defines a standard method every exchange needs. Get ticker for price, get balance for your portfolio, and both place market order and place limit order. Then we'll build a specific implementation like Coinbase Exchange, which wraps the actual HTTP calls. After we get the market data, this is where the AI comes in. We collect market data like pricing, volume, buy sales ratio, spread, depth, plus our current portfolio and limits. Then we'll format them into a prompt and send it to the LLMs. Here's the example. Every time the bot calls GPT, we'll use Curate's AI to log the full prompt, the model's response, the cost, and the latency. For example, if we make a request and go to Curate's AI dashboard, this decision took 2.3 seconds, used 400 tokens, and cost 12 cents. The prompt says you are an autonomous trading AI. Given the data, pick the most rational move. And the LLM will respond with a clean JSON format, with actions, buy, symbol, BTC, confidence, strategy. I can also see the exact reasoning GPT gave and when it says buy BTC. Now, everything is ready. Let's write a sample bot to test the whole process. The model will reply, this is a single run test script, but if you let it loop or deploy it on a server, this is becoming your real trading bot. Finally, I wrote a tiny web dashboard. It hits a backend API and shows my portfolio. Nothing fancy, but enough to see everything moving live. The next step should be starting our trading bot. But there are two problems right now. The first one is the traces for the bot. We want to log each trace separately to see our agent's workflow. And the second one is the LLM prompt is clearly not good enough. We are not sure if we give the LLMs enough market data and the response is good enough with reasonable explanation. We will fix those in the following videos.